How to use quick tap gesture to access any app on your Google Pixel 8a. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to system. Tap on a system. Tap on a gestures. Tap on a quick tap to start action. Now make sure to toggle on the use quick tap option on your phone. Here we select the take a screenshot option. Now double tap the back of your pixel device to take a screenshot. Now you can see take a screenshot on my pixel. So you can choose the function from take a screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or push media, see recent apps, show notification, toggle play slide. If you want to use specific app, tap on open app, tap on a setting gear icon. Now select the app you want to use quick tap to quickly access on your device. Here we select the Chrome application. Now double tap on the back of your Pixel device to access the Google Chrome on your device. So it's quite easy to use a quick tap gesture on your device. You can also require quick stronger taps. Now you need to require stronger step to access the Google Assistant on your device or Google Chrome. Just select the app you want to use as a quick tap option on your Pixel device. That's it. If you like it, share it.